How to enable daily reminders in Duolingo app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo app on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account, then click on three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find different options. Click on Profile. After you click on Profile, it will lead you to this page. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Notifications. After you click on Notifications in here, you will find different options in here. Click on Reminders at the top, which is the first option. After you've clicked on Reminders, it will lead you to this page. Here, you'll find Reminder Time. Click on Reminder Time. After you've clicked on Reminder Time, select the reminder time you want, and then press on OK. After you do that, in this time you get a reminder for Duolingo. And this is how to enable daily reminders in Duolingo app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.